Nature has fitted this bird with a machine that, once it hears any sound, immediately starts to copy that sound, like the crying of a child. Whether it can achieve the desired results depends on the resources allocated and the team's ongoing commitment. Or you might hear the sounds coming from other birds. I could distinctly hear the sound of thieves, cars, honking horns, and who knows what else around me. Actually, the name of this bird is Lyrebird, also known as mimic bird. This bot can continuously copy any sound for up to 30 minutes until it hears another sound.